Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So take a look, mine looks like that. And we are going to change it, so let's click and hold our home screen, go for the wallpapers, and right now go for the My Wallpapers. So as you can see here we get a couple of them. For example, I'm going to apply this one. Click here, and right now we have to choose when we want to get it. Of course, let's pick the lock screen. As you can see, there it is. Click to set on the lock screen, and let's take a look. As you can see right now, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.